Here is how you can change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the default search engine on the Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Edge. Then after, tap on the three dots on the right side of your screen and select Settings. Inside the settings, tap on Privacy, Search and Services among the various options on the left. Now click on the drop-down menu on search engine used in the address bar. Then select any search engine that you want to set. For now, let's tap on Google. After you set the search engine, click on Create a new tab and search for anything. As you can see, Google has been set as the default search engine. So in this way, you can easily change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.